Hello, this is YK Prakash. Today I want to show you a simple repair of an RC car. This car is very lethargic in movement. Let us find out what happened to this car. This is a car I want to test. This is not moving freely. This wheel is okay. The front side is only for left and right. This back wheel, they are not moving freely. There is some problem. Okay. There is some problem, I don't know, maybe I'll have to open it. So let me see. There is no antenna wire here. Okay. I do not know the make of this one. I could not find it at Amazon. It must have been from Amazon.India. I do not know what is this for. Maybe for speed? No. This is the on off switch. Okay. And this is the remote. This wire is too long. Not really good for kids. Okay, so this is up, down, sides, left, right. Okay, when you press one of these keys, this LED is glowing. Okay, now let us switch on and see what's happening. Okay, front, it is moving. Only thing is something is obstructing. This is left, right. Yeah, they are all working. Batteries are also new. So maybe I'll have to open and see what's happening. Okay, let's open it. You have to open 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Anyway, first I have to remove the battery compartment. This is push this way and then lift it. There's some kind of antenna wire here. This is the front side motor, something like a servo, only for left and right movement. Wires seem to be good quality. Soldering seems to be good. Only thing is, oh, it has come out. Let me see what's happening. Looks like this is some kind of plastic has broken. Okay, this has to go and sit here. So this, oh, now it is better. So the plastic, this part I think is broken, this and this. Okay. Now finding a proper glue is a problem. So I may have to find a proper glue for this. That should be the problem. Otherwise I think it is working. I applied this Araldite and I kept some weight on this. I kept something at a thin box at the bottom and some weight at the top so that it will glue. Maybe I'll have to wait for 24 hours. I chose Araldite because I think all the super glues and what is this one called? The other one, this Fevikwik and all that, I don't think they will work properly. So I chose to use Araldite, but we have to wait for minimum 24 hours. That's all. The next day I tested it and found working satisfactorily. Please subscribe to my channel. Out of every 100 people watching my videos. Only 3 people are subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel.